I do not have any more solution. The only solution that the doctors are giving me is just to take Arcoxia every day. So I've already reached 120 milligrams of Arcoxia for me to stand up. But it will only take a few hours and then it will wear down. So it's quite depressing na the doctor will say, I can no longer be a candidate for surgery because my bones are brittle already. I had a bad fall from the toilet. So from the bad fall from the toilet, it affected my L3, my L4, my L5, and soon both of my knees are already affected. So both knees are swollen and I already have water inside my knees. So my doctor from St. Luke's already, he's removing the water from my knees. But unfortunately, after 2 weeks, it will reoccur again. So Coach Al, he was able to see me. Diba, Coach? How difficult I was at Blue Wave when you first saw me. So honestly, my only solution is just a miracle from God. And the miracle came because my friend from Germany, who is my upline, Techi Diego, and Coach Al introduced the Oli Life machine. Since I do not have any more solution, so why not let go of my Arcoxia and then just try, this is my savior, this machine. This machine has saved me 2 times. 2 times. First, in 3 months, twice a day of using it, I am just in level 3 in the morning and level 1 in the evening. But after 3 months, the doctor says, you can no longer dance, I can no longer do my normal activity, I cannot drive. But in 3 months, after 3 months, God is so great. He sent me this and I got healed. So I was able, by 2025, my life went back to normal. So as you can see, right now, it doesn't look like I was this person who cannot walk, who cannot dance, who cannot drive. But then, the second testimonial. The second testimonial was last July of this year, I accidentally slipped again. So second time. But this time, it's much difficult because it hit my tailbone. Ano po yung Tagalog ng tailbone? Buntut? The tailbone is the end of the end bone. That's why I was at my sister's house. So she witnessed how I was crying. I was really crying because I thought I will not be able to walk again. Because this is my second time. So I thought that's it. That's the end of the world. But then my sister, was also a distributor, remembered that she has the machine. So even though I cannot sit down, I was lying on the floor in her garage. She immediately got the machine. And then she said, Ate, sabi niya, step your feet, your 2 feet on the machine. And you wouldn't believe this. I thought talaga, parang it's gonna be a miracle for me to be able to stand and walk again. But then, God has been truly great. In 24 hours, I was able to walk. 24 hours, grabe. 24 hours. Second day, after 48 hours, I was able to climb the stairs. Second day. Third day, I was able to drive. So, if I am so overwhelmed on my first accident, on my second accident, now I understand. It's been 1 year and 1 month of me using this machine. So in 1 year, my body has already improved. So unlike my first accident, it took me 3 months. But in my second accident last July,